If you are new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineer. Can you explain the appraisal procedure in an IT company? Okay. So, this is the thing that every IT company will have a different type of an appraisal process, but some few things are very common. One thing is during the appraisal process, your company will ask you to fill out some kind of a form. That form can be an online form. It can be something that you fill up in a Word document, because if your company is small, then you may fill it up in a Word document, and then you can pass it on to your manager. Okay, so the employee fills out an appraisal form in which he mentions about all the work he's done since the last appraisal or since the joining. If you joined just 6 months back, then from the time you joined to the appraisal period, whatever work you have done, what do you think about various things in that appraisal form? And every company will have a different appraisal form. They will evaluate on different skills. They will evaluate on your primary skills, which is your technical skills, maybe programming or whatever. They will evaluate on how did you manage the project. Did you perform well in the project? Did you complete all your tasks correctly? Did you make any mistakes? So all appraisal form will have different kind of questions that you will need to answer, and based on those answers, even your manager will have a form which he will be filling up for you. Okay, and in 360-degree appraisal process, even your colleagues will be filling up some qualities about you. So those will be mostly optional questions, like yes no based questions, that is this person really good, or is this person really doing the projects on time, does this person. So there can be an optional, but that is for 360-degree review, where even your colleague will fill up the form. Okay, now depending on the size of the company, for very large company all these processes will be automated. So there will be a software which will make an understanding of what is your ranking within the company. And then when you talk to your manager, okay, then you will have an interview with your manager. Okay, whoever is your direct manager, it can be your project manager, it can be a manager one level above the project manager. Okay, depending on the rules of the company. And then they will, in the interview they will discuss with you, and then they will decide some more points in the ranking system. And finally the company will come up with a rank. Rank means what should be the compensation. Do you get an appraisal, like will you get a compensation? So almost 70 to 80% people will get average hike. Okay, year to year they will get average hike. So if the company is saying, okay, this year we are going to do a 7% average hike across the company, or 10% average hike across the company, then some people will get 8%, some people will get 12%, but that is still an average hike. But people, 20% of people within the organization who have really done well, okay, and company identified that from their form, from the form of other people, from the form of the manager. If it is a 360-degree appraisal, then from the form of your colleagues, then the company, the software or whatever they are using, the way they are using, that will make a decision on who are the top 20% employees within the company, and then those people will get an appraisal. Okay, they will get a very high percentage of increase, above 30%. Okay, anything above 30% is a very good percentage of increase. Overall average in the industry, around 8 to 10% you should get every year. Okay, but if you're getting above 30%, then you are doing something really good. Okay, even if you're a fresher and if you're getting above 30%, which means you have done some really good job. Okay, which is very important to understand. So that is how appraisal period in any IT company works. So I was in my company, I was working for from 2010 to 2014. I was the head of operations for a CRM product company. Okay, in Pune, and I had a very large team. I started with 8 engineers, but then I grew the team to 100. So I used to conduct the appraisal cycle. We had only one form, which one part the engineer would fill up, and one part the manager of that engineer would fill up. So if there is a project manager, the project manager would fill up the form for that, and then I, as a person who I used to look at these forms and decide on what kind of an appraisal I can give uh, to this person. Okay, so I used to give the appraisal based on many factors. Okay, and I call that four factors, which is potential, prowess, okay, performance, and personality. So depending on these four factors, and I have mentioned that in my course on how to become an A player. The whole idea about A player is that a lot of people on my channel, they come and ask me, how can I increase my salary? Okay, but the high appraisal, high salaries are only for 20% of people in any organization. Okay, so these are called the A players. And there is a video, you'll see a 13-minute video, and you can watch that 13-minute video. You will understand more about how this A player system works within all organizations. Okay, whether people agree or not, this kind of appraisal is prevalent whether in the entire software industry. Every company you go, you will see a very similar thing, and that's the reason a lot of engineers get disappointed or after appraisal, because they get either average appraisal 7 to 10%, and the cost of living is going up, but their salary is not increasing adequately. So that what is the problem. Okay, I hope this helps you, Amin Nazir. Everyone, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the update. Also share my video as much as possible, because I'm targeting 100,000 subscribers on my channel. And see you in the next live on Thursday at 9:05 p.m.